Hi there, and welcome to the section on Parallel LINQ. That's the extensions to language integrated query which provide parallel support. So essentially the idea is as follows. We have this awesome technology called LINQ. It's useful for querying data. You basically have a bunch of extension methods on an IEnumerable of Tn that let you do things like a map operation, which is called select in LINQ terminology. You can also, for example, calculate the sum of every IEnumerable element using the sum operator. But the thing is that by default, execution of a LINQ query is sequential. It runs on a single thread. And the question is, well, what if you have lots of data? How can you actually leverage the parallelism? And this is where Parallel LINQ comes in. So Parallel LINQ is TPL's counterpart for parallelizing LINQ queries. So what we're going to see in this section is the following. First of all, we'll look at as parallel. That's basically the extension method that you need to call on an IEnumerable to turn it into a parallel query. Then we'll take a look at cancellation and exceptions. This is a theme that has surfaced before, and we'll see similar things to what we've had before as well. Then we'll take a look at merge options, essentially the question of how quickly do you get your data once a parallel LINQ query has actually produced a value. And finally, we'll take a look at an advanced topic, which is custom aggregation. How do you write an aggregation which takes into account the fact that the query is happening in parallel using different tasks?